Ang jolog sa pagkakulot ko ng hair ko. But oh well, wala na akong oras. Huwag na natin pansinin yan. Hey guys! Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to pull off the perfect red lipstick. Featuring the Sunnies Fluffmatte in Major. If you haven't gotten your hands on the Sunnies Fluffmatte yet, kawawa ka naman. Kasi nag-restock ulit sila nung 18th, August 18th, midnight. And then it got sold out again. So, Sunnies Face, ayusin nyo naman please. Anyway, for some of you, wearing a red lipstick might be a bit intimidating. And I understand kasi, you know, some of you are a bit conservative. You feel like you haven't found the perfect red lipstick yet. Or feeling nyo magmumukha kayo masyadong, you know, malande. Tanggalin nyo na yung mga ganong klaseng pag-iisip. Kasi I believe that every single girl has a perfect shade of red lipstick for them. And, you know, you don't have to feel like you're being too malande while you're wearing a red lipstick. I mean, if anything, it's just really going to give you that extra, you know, confidence you need to get you through your day if you're having a bad day. If you feel like you need a little pick-me-up, a look with a red lipstick is the perfect way to do that. So I'm gonna show you a few easy tips and tricks to make sure that you are able to pull off the perfect red lip if you're not used to it yet. And let's get right into it. By the way, before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and that little bell thingy on the right so that you will get notified when I have new videos. Number one is, of course, moisturize your lips. If you're wearing a matte red lipstick, it will just emphasize those cracks and those lines, which is not gonna look good. So make sure that you are nice and fully moisturized. Number two, choose the right lipstick. One of the most universal shades is, of course, the MAC Ruby Woo. It fits just about anyone. But then, of course, we also have our locally made Sunnies Face Fluffmatte in Major, which is a cool toned red, which is why it's perfect for anyone. Number three, go easy on your eyebrows. Now, it's not the time to do a Cara Delevingne brow, okay? Unless ganun talaga yung brows mo, go ahead, rock that natural brow girl. But otherwise, wag nyo na masyado i-fill in like... Number four, go for neutral brown eyeshadows. As you can see here, I am applying a regular brown shade all over my lid, all the way up to the crease area. Using my fingers lang kasi tinatamad ang nanay mo. And then, patting on a nice shimmery shade in the middle of my lid. Para lang may onting extra shiny shimmering factor. Why are we going with just neutral browns? Kasi you don't want your eyeshadow to be competing against your lipstick. You just want everything to be nice and soft up here so that this can really shine. Number five. Now, you can opt for two things here. If you're the kind of person na bagay yung smudged eyeliner, yung i-line lang yung eyes mo with a pencil liner and then just smudge it out a bit. Go ahead, do that. Pero sa akin, hindi bagay yun. Mumukha akong derp face. So, I opted for a cat eyeliner just to really open up my eyes. Number six, open up your eyes a little bit more by emphasizing your lashes. If you have long lashes and they actually curl upward, good for you, girl. Ingit ako. Mag-mascara ka na lang kasi pwede na naman yan. Pero kasi, I wanted to emphasize mine with fake eyelashes. And that is me putting it on and I look like an idiot. Number 7, go with a natural flush with a blush. Huwag ka nang masyadong pumili ng mga wow pink, kaya wow orange. Huwag ka na lang sa natural tingnan. So, ang ginamit ko is yung Hot Mama by The Bomb. And I'm not gonna show you what's inside the box kasi sira-sira na siya. My little girl dropped it on the floor. So yeah, that's me putting it on my cheeks. Bakit kailangan natural lang yung blush? Because you don't want it to be fighting against the color of your red lip. And my last tip for you guys. Again, this is for those who are still a bit uncomfy with a red lip. One way you can make it look softer is by smudging the outer edges. Because if you're having a hard time putting your lipstick on with a really clean line, then the best way to do it really is to just smudge it. Parang alam mo yun, parang lip tint lang eh. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this gave you the confidence to wear a red lipstick. Hintayin nyo na lang yung restock ng Sunnies Face ulit. If you want to look at my swatch video for the Sunnies Fluffmatte, I'm gonna post it somewhere here or here. Saan man. Or just check out the description box down below. And ano, yun lang. Bye guys!